everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm here with the second part of my DIYChoose package. So I have them unboxed and ready to show you, and there's some great things in here. I've already looked, you know, I unpackaged them. All right, so let's just slide all of this to the side real quick, and we'll start with this one here. This one, I'm almost certain at this point, is a duplicate. I do have this already. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's a 35 by 50. I think it's going to just turn out fantastic. Look how clear the snowmen are. I love it. I absolutely love it. But one of these will clearly be going into my giveaway pile. All right. So you have seen this one before, but look, it has some very pretty pink. I think the pink is going to go around that border. It's going to be super pretty. So pinks and blues, a little bit of green, and then the snowman color, right? Love it. I'm not going to take all these out because, like I said, we have seen this painting before. There are two of them. There's one that says love, and I think one says faith or joy or something like that. So I clearly have enough now. All right. So anyhow, it does have 23 colors. Picture printed, good and sticky, and I really just adore this one. So somebody's going to be very lucky and get this in an upcoming giveaway. You never know what. It could be a membership giveaway. It could be a Christmas giveaway. You just never know. All right, so it'll go in that pile, the giveaway pile. All right, which way do I go here? Which way do I go? I have to have a place to set things. You sit over there. Okay, next. I love this one. Oh, just so you know, each of them do come with a toolkit like this, you know, your basic toolkit, right? Every single one. I loved this. When I opened this, I was like, whoa, look at the color. Look at the color. It is so vibrant. I love those colors. The big butterflies, look how they show up, the welcome. It's all just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. There's a legend on both sides, 24 colors. All of the symbols are letters. It's clear as day. Look at that. I love this one. This one, I'm tempted to do this one up and take it to my school because of the flower garden and everything that they were putting in. And maybe I'll pop in the spring and I'll give them a gift, right? Gift from me. Anyhow, let's look at the colors because they are gorgeous, just gorgeous. Oh, these are by themselves. Look at those colors. Look at that blue and that pink. Gorgeous. All right. What else? What else do we have? Look at that orange. Wow. Pretty. Some gorgeous greens, oranges, pinks. Look at those colors. I love these colors. And this is going to be predominantly your background here. That is two different colors. They're just a slight shade off. But that will be a good portion of the background. Love it. What do you think? Isn't it just super pretty? Everything is big enough that it's clear and it's going to turn out really good. I love that one. Like I said, I have plans for that one. Okay. This is not my style, but it caught my eye. The colors caught my eye. And it's a bubble round. Bubble round in the background. Special drill here. And the colors, purples and teals. I fell in love with that one. I don't know why. So none of her body is diamond painted at all. This is just printed. Her hands, her shoulder, neck, her face, none of that gets any drills. But the colors in this just really, there's 17 of them. And it does have the bubble round background. So as you can tell, we have 7, A, and B. And I think it's going to be a teal color. Don't quote me, but I think it's going to be teal. It struck my fancy, you know? Like I said, totally not my style. I don't do the women, you know, she's got kimono on and stuff, and she's got some sort of fancy parasol. Yeah, but I loved the colors. Just loved the colors. All right, so here's some of our rhinestones. There's a purple, a peachy orange. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? Love the teal. Couple of pinks. clear, black. Here is our background. Okay, so here's the large. It's just a nice blue, like an aquamarine. Here's the medium, and here's the small. Then we have all these specials. Iridescent marquee. This is a pale, pale blue teardrop. A nice iridescent purple teardrop. Ooh, I've been getting a lot of ovals lately. A pretty blue oval, that's nice. Purple faceted and white pearls. It should be just gorgeous. I love those colors. What do you think? I love the colors. They're some of my favorite colors. All right. Okay. This one was just fun. I just had to get this one. If I can't have a real camper, I'll get one of these, right? Isn't it cute? Just let it snow. They're out camping in their little camper. I love this kind of camper. Dale, I need a camper. Come on. Anyhow, they got a Christmas tree over here. They got lots of snow coming down. Let It Snow shows up perfectly. 22 colors, all DMC codes, letters for the symbols. What more can you say? I just love it. Ooh, sticky too. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. All right, real quick, we'll show you the drills. We got a minute. I'm assuming there's going to be a beautiful pale blue for the background. Let's see. All right, here we go. Some off-white, of course, all that snow. Some tans, and there's a pretty blue. 2 packages of 19 for our background. Oh, wait, let's make it 3 packages of 19 for our background. All right, here's the rest of the colors. Love them. Love them. And then we get a bunch of greens for our tree and tan. Look, like some of the snowflakes are tan. I mean, you know, a tan snowflake. All right. Pretty, right? Pretty. All right. There's my dream camper. There's my dream camper. All right, and the last thing is an off-canvas project. Comes in a box like this, protected. Hopefully it's in good shape. Let's get into it and let's see what I got. I have completed a wreath and I have completed a tabletop. I'll call it a tabletop decoration. It says Merry Christmas. Took me about an hour. All right, here we go. Is that everything? Nope, we need drills. Drills are in the box. All right, all rhinestones. Yay, special drills. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, so it comes with a toolkit. It is one of the trees, right? So it's gonna go in the stand down here. Oh, it's double-sided too. This is a double-sided tree. And this is where our dangly thing will hang in here, a dangly. Oh, we got 2 holes. Got 2 holes for our dangly to hang. All right. All snowflakey looking. I think it's going to be super pretty. Okay, so what do we have that's going to dangle in our space there? Well, let's find out. Okay, so here's the chains. Got 2 chains, right? Because he's swinging, baby. He's a swinging snowman. He is double-sided, and he is swinging. He's on a swing. He's going to swing back and forth, right? I thought this was so cute. It's a snowman. Of course it's a snowman. I can do this one for January when I decorate my house with snowmen, right? So he's going to hang out there and swing. And here is our base, which you drill both sides. I've seen some other people talk about that. Not sure why you drill both sides. Seems like that would be kind of weird. There's another piece of plastic here, just maybe to give it more stability or whatnot. Yeah, I don't think I would drill both sides. I don't know. You know how this is sticky? I wonder what happens if you take this paper off and you stick it. Will it stick to it with that glue? I don't know. We shall find out. Anyhow, I've never done one like this. So anyhow, that's what you get, folks. And this has a film on it as well to keep it from getting scratched and stuff. It's sticky too. Okay, so that's sticky. Are both sides of it sticky? Do you have to be careful which side you use? I don't know. Let's see. Come on. Come on. I'm assuming both sides are sticky. Yeah, so don't take your plastic off both sides because, I don't know. Anyhow, we'll see how I figure it out when I get going here. Let's look at the drills for it. All right. Oh, well, hang on. Oh, look at those. Aren't those pretty? I love those. I've had those before. Those are gorgeous. And then there's clear, iridescent. Love them. Oh, there's more special stuff. Okay, you hang out over there for a minute. Let's look at our rhinestones. Well, let's start with Pearl AB. Let's look at those first. All right. Then we have the clear rhinestones. But I don't know. They look a little different. Maybe not. A pretty blue rhinestone. Another blue. Okay, then we have a faceted AB white. So we have pearl, smooth white, and then faceted white. Some more blue, gold, red, black, and some larger blue faceted. And then we have another selection of special things here. I love my little snowflakes. Those are so pretty. We have some pretty iridescent marquees. Love those. Some little gold teardrops. Some iridescent round. And some pearls. Love it. Love it. Okay, I need to work on this one like right away. Like I said, I have finished a couple special project things. I'm trying to throw those in with my large canvas I'm working on and get some smaller things done. So I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think about this whole base thing. You know, what's your take on the base? It's definitely, the clear plastic is sticky on both sides, so you can stick this to it. I think I would only drill one side and stick this to it, right? Like that. And don't take off the plastic off the bottom because it'll stick, unless you want it to stick to something. Anyhow, let me know what you think. Okay. All right. Thank you, DIYChoose, for sending this stuff over so I can show everybody. And I'm excited to work on that one and that one for my school. The flower we'll work on for school. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, subscribe, all those things that you do on a daily basis to help me do what I do on a daily basis. All right. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.